welcome back to another Jordyn video. So, as you guys know, oh, by the way, sorry for not uploading last week. Embarrassing. Sorry about that, guys, but I'm back now. Don't forget about me. Some of you have, but it's okay. But as you guys know, hopefully, maybe not, my birthday has passed. It was October 25th. So I just wanted to do a what I got for my birthday because you guys seem to like these every time I post them. So yeah, by the way, not bragging at all. I'm doing this for you and the kind of fun to film. So yeah, don't be mad at me, guys. So let's jump right into it. First, I'm gonna do this bag. I kind of even forgot what is in here, so let's see ourselves. Unboxing. Oh my gosh, these are the tote bags I got. So I asked my mom for tote bags because tote bags are so cute and I really love them. You guys know I got my cute cheese tote bag in Hawaii and I fell in love with tote bags ever since. This one says Vincent Van Gogh. It has some of his artwork on the front. And then we have this one that says The Goodness of Life, and it has artwork on the front of that too. This bag, we have this super cute zebra, hashtag Y2K. Ah! My mom got me cute brown, like sort of corduroy pants. Look how cute they are. I actually worn these recently, but they fit so good on the top, but the bottom, they were just a little bit too long for me, so my mom cut them off, being a DIY as she is. I got the same kind of pants, different color. This was like a really cute green sort of pant. Just one pant. Get this stuff out of the way that aren't in boxes. Aren't in bags on the floor. So my mom got me these super cute stickers. Look at these. I've been obsessed with stickers because they're so cute to decorate things with. So I have these like gold ones that are like gold and silver. They have 2 sets of them. We got confetti stickers. We have like jewels and what's this? Oh, roses. This one's really pretty. We have a bunch of hearts, sparkles, more confetti, more
stars and horseshoes, clovers and blue moons, pots of gold and rainbows, and the red balloons. You literally just had Lucky Charms this morning.
Oh. And I got these. Okay, so I got 2 albums. Oh wait, this one's backwards. I got Dark and Wild, Warning, Love Hurts, It Causes Anger, Jealousy, Obsession, Why Don't You Leave Me Back? Talk about emo, okay. And then I got, oh, Are You Late too? Yeah, I want to show you guys a picture in this one because honestly, it's like very emo, but you know, look at this. Look at this, hold on. I want to be loved so bad.
Why did you say it like that?
I just want to be loved. By the way, if you guys care or if you know who these people are, in this one I got V, and in this one I got Yoongi. Just for the people that care. Draco, get out! You're so nosy.
He's trying to find something.
Oh, let's move on to this one. This one has a cute little.
Draco, move!
What do you want? I got nothing over here for you. In this bag, I have a bunch of cozy socks. They're so cute. I love cozy socks because 1, they're cozy. 2, they're socks so people can't look at my feet. 3, you can slip inside in them. So I have these, which are super cute. These are long. I love that. Oh, I got this sloth sock. And speaking of sloth, if you guys haven't noticed, I have a sloth onesie on that I also got for my birthday. Thank you, Dad. Weird Dog Company socks, and my mom got these for me, and I'm guessing they were from. Were they from Target or Walmart?
Target.
Of course, Target. I've seen these at Target before.
You liar!
You all won't believe this. My mom got me a handcrafted, hand-sewn, blood, sweat, and tears hoodie.
It's not a hoodie.
Oh, crew neck. So we have a Nike hoodie.
Crew neck.
Crew neck. We have a Nike brown crew neck, and it's super cute. Love you, whoever made this on Etsy. So next I got this super cute chicken from my Aunt Araceli, and Draco loves it too apparently. Look at, he's trying to bite its toes off. But oh my god! But look how cute it is. It's like a rainbow colored and and honestly, it just is so adorable. We're gonna do this one in the back, and I actually got this bag from my my friend Emily. So if you're watching this, which you're probably not because you're fake, just kidding, then thank you, Emily, for the gift. Ah! So she got me this super cute hoodie, and I really love it because my mom has the same exact one. So instead of stealing her clothes and her shoes that I usually do, since we're the same shoe size now, I could just have my own. He just took the paper. Okay.
Tissue paper.
Well, whatever at this point. And then she got me cookie mix. It's because she knows I love to bake. So this looks super good because I love confetti. Anything confetti is just like the best cake, whatever cookie ever. Then she got me. Oh, she also got me a bunch of fruit snacks and Gushers, but she gave me this bag at school, so I literally like shared all my Gushers and fruit snacks with everybody. So yeah. And then she got me these treats, these little snacks, which were super good. I didn't eat all of them, but they're super good. And then she got me this little birthday. Ah! Oh, and yeah, did I tell you she got me perfume too?
I love that smell.
Why was that such a late reaction? I got this super cute cup of noodle Yahtzee from my from my grandma Olivia and my Aunt Araceli. And I don't even want to open it because it's so cute because I love cup of noodle. And I got I got frilly socks from my mother because she knows I love being a little lad and dressing in frilly socks. Oh, by the way, guys, somebody complimented me the other day and said that I look like an aesthetic college student going to her lecture. And honestly, biggest compliment out there because it was the biggest compliment out there. I love frilly socks, so with my Mary Janes. And sometimes I wear them with my Jordans too. But I love that. Love that for me. Love that for you. So, adventuring on. That we got some shoes from my Fadre. So first we got this super cool, sleek black box. Let's see what's inside. So he got me these Jordans, and look how cute they are. I love like the mustard color that they have and the black. I saw 2 kids at my school wearing these, and I literally said in my head, I was like, ooh, those look like a bumblebee. I kind of like them. Morning of my birthday, I got Bumblebee shoes all of a sudden. Does he have a recorder in my backpack or something? Kind of weird, kind of suspicious. But they're super cute. I love them a lot. I really, really like them. And I got on this super sleek white box. Ooh, white and black? Controversial. But anyways, I got in this box, I have another pair of shoes from my Fadre. And I already worn these, but look how cute they are. I love these. They're so cute because of like the kind of pinkish color on them. These are so adorable. I love these. So in this super cute cake time box, no, it's not even a box, I lied again. In this super cute cake time bag, in here we have we got BT21. Ooh, that sounds like a rap. BT21, I got the gun, I'm headed towards the sun, oh my god, I'm going like, oh my fast cars. Whoa. Why'd you say whoa like that? Whoa. Mom got me these super cute BT21 plushies. I got Chimmy and I got Koya. And yeah, my friend, I don't know if she wants me to say her name, but it starts with an A. And she really likes Koya, so then I got her a Koya plush of her own. That was like a headband, but yeah. And then my friend other friend starts with a T, ends with a R. She got me this super cute Funko Pop of my favorite BTS member, J-Hope, even though like last 2 weeks ago it was Suga, but we don't talk about that. But yeah, she got me this and I really like him. Thank you! Thank you so much.
Why did you say her name like that?
Oh yeah, and there's one more thing. My mom got me a super cute binder so I could hold all of like the photo cards I get or whatever. And the binder came with like a little picture of Subin. So I love that. Thank you to the girl that packaged this.
It was on Etsy.
But yeah, look at it. Now I have a cute little binder. I remember sending this to her when we were in Hawaii and I was like, this is super cute. Wonder if we can get it for my birthday. And then all she said back was, cute. Okay. Yes, give us nothing.
Well,
Oh yeah. And we have more stickers down here, but they kind of like fell out of the sticker package. Then my last bag is very big. Oh my god, save the biggest for last. So on top, pretty sure this is all full of clothes. On top we have this super cute Wyoming crew neck that my father got me. And I already worn this and it's super cute. I love it so much. This is actually the outfit that I got complimented as that I look like a college student on. So props to this shirt. Oh my gosh, I got this adorable cloud thick cardigan. Like it's so thick, it's so comfortable, and it's clouds, and I love it so much. Then I got this adorable peach sweater. Hold on, it's getting like it's a little big. Sorry guys. I got this adorable peach sweater. Wait, hold on. Why are there butts all over my shirt? Get it? Because peach like symbolizes butt. Then we have this super cute cardigan too. This is adorable. It literally looks like something I would wear every single day if I could. It's so cute. I love it so much. Then we have another cute cardigan. Oh my gosh. I never wanted to be a teacher before, but honestly, these clothes are being like, Jordyn, just become a teacher just so you can be a cute little kindergarten teacher.
The clothes are very cute.
Even though I would cry the second a kid cries, I would throw them out of my classroom.
We're crying together.
Crying together, bestie. Yeah, look how cute these are. I love this one. I can't wait to wear it because it's like a cherry little situation going on. And cherry bomb. So cute. So that is everything, I'm pretty sure, minus some little stuff. And I really love all this stuff. I'm so grateful for it. Thank you so much for everybody that got me something. I love it so much. I can't explain in words how much I love it. And a few honorable mentions that some presents I got at school when it was my birthday. A penny, $2,
Ooh.
$1.
Oh, so $3.01.
Oh no, 2 quarters.
Ooh.
A leaf.
51 cent a leaf.
And a handshake. And so many. Oh my god, it's your birthday? Happy birthday! So thank you everybody that gave me happy birthdays at school and everybody that gave me presents. I appreciate them so much. Ding! Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Love you!